Acid attacks leave scars not only on the skin but on the soul. Under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, these crimes are dealt with under Section 124, one of the most heinous crimes in the Indian law. Section 124 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita penalizes the act of voluntary causing grievous hurt by using acid or similar means. Anyone who causes permanent or partial damage, deformity, burns, maiming, disfigurement, disability, or renders a person in a permanent vegetative state by throwing, administering, or using acid shall face imprisonment of not less than 10 years, extendable to life, along with a fine to cover the victim's medical expenses paid directly to the victim. Even an attempt to throw, administer, or use acid attract 5 to 7 years imprisonment plus a fine. Key elements include 1. Voluntary act throwing, administering acid. 2. Intention to cause grievous hurt. 3. Resulting in permanent or partial damage, deformity or disability. 4. Even attempts are punishable. The landmark case of Lakshmi vs. Union of India led to major legal reforms. The Supreme Court restricted the acid sales, mandated compensation for survivors, and ensured free medical treatment. Parliament inserted IPC Section 326A and 326B, making acid attacks a distinct crime with stringent punishment. It's very important to know that Section 397 of the BNSS mandates all hospitals, public or private, to provide free first aid and medical treatment to acid attacks. Survivors are also entitled to free legal aid, minimum rupees 3 lakh compensation, and rehabilitation schemes. Studies also indicate that over 80% of the victims are women, showing the gendered nature of this crime. Most importantly, Section 38 of the BNS even allows private defense against the acid attack. A person may lawfully use force, even causing the attacker's death, to protect themselves or others. Acid attacks are not just crimes, they are attacks on the dignity and humanity. Section 124 of the BNS ensures strict punishment, mandatory compensation, and survivor protection. Every face deserves dignity. Every survivor deserves justice. Thank you.